I'm Esme and this is Polyvine's Wax Finish Varnish. It combines the silky feel of wax with the durability of a varnish and brushes on to give either a satin or a dead flat finish, whilst keeping the traditional look of a piece of wooden furniture. Used widely in the world of upcycling, the Polyvine Wax Finish Varnish has become popular with furniture restoration professionals to deliver a unique look. This varnish can also be coloured, allowing you to create bespoke pieces, transforming the wood with subtle, even shades. For a clear finish, simply apply 2 to 3 coats using a varnish brush. Or for the coloured varnish, apply 1 to 2 coats depending on the shade you want to achieve. Then finish with a clear coat in either satin or dead flat, leaving you with a surface that's water and heat resistant. If a very high level of durability and stain resistance is required, then we suggest applying 2 coats of satin finish followed by 1 coat of dead flat finish. Thanks so much for watching. For full application instructions, further product information, and to find your local stockist, visit polyvine.com.